this week has been very interesting. Reversed from here, which I was expecting. So the 5-minute chart is very confidence inducing. All right, guys, we are done for the day. Super happy with how it went. Ended the week green, and today was actually my best day ever. I followed my plan. I tried not to look at P&L, although I did end up looking at P&L a couple times today. The emotions were a lot better than Monday, my worst day ever. Trades went really good on SPY and Tesla, went according to plan. We learned a lot this week, and we're going to continue that trajectory going into next week. Couldn't be happier with today. I'm going to edit this video and throw it up for you guys and show you the trades that I took today. This yellowish tinge here, that is pre-market, before market open. If we go on our 1-minute chart, that's what we were trading on SPY. We had entered 2 minutes before market open, break below the 90 EMA for a short, and a covering at VWAP, so it wasn't, it was a quick trade. Market opens, we had obviously this candle closed higher, but it actually opened bearish, and we exited our position where we wanted to at VWAP. So I was watching for a break below VWAP. That was my first confirmation of bearish. So I entered a few trades on Tesla, break below VWAP with a stop loss above, with a cover at, I believe it was here, where my mouse is here. That was my exit. So this trade went really good. I exited somewhere in this candle. Reversed from here, which I was expecting. Break above 90 EMA, break above the 200-day, the 20-day, and VWAP with a rejection. If we go to the 5, rejection on the 200-day on the 5-minute, which I had both the 1-minute and 5-minute chart open when I was doing this trade. Then I was looking for a sustained break below the 90 EMA and volume weighted on the 3-minute, which happened in this candle here. We had a reversal off the 200-day, which is the green line, and we had a rejection on the 5-minute 200-day. When that happened, I knew there was probably slim chance we're recovering from there. Entered the trade with the break below 90 EMA and looked for a stop loss of a break above on the 3-minute candle, 90 EMA for Tesla. Now, if we look at the 3-minute candle, it gives us a little more confidence than the 1-minute, but this is the 5-minute chart. So the 5-minute chart is very confidence inducing. One could argue that this trade could continue going downward because it has rejected off the 5 and is continuing to do so, but that would be another trade for another day. Let's talk about what happened here. So this is the 1-minute chart. We were trading the 3-minute. Sorry, I'm all over the place right now. So sustained break below, this is where we entered the trade. We had, I believe we covered. Yes, we covered here. And we waited because we knew there was going to be a rough reversal here from the support we have here. Waited patiently. Rejected off VWAP, rejected off the 90 EMA on the 3 minutes. This candle, we re-entered the position right here. So we re-entered the position. Stop loss was a break above the 90 EMA, the blue line. Continued this trend. We covered our position in this candle because this line was strong support and it started to look a little weaker. So I exited my position here, and where I thought it was going to bounce, it did bounce, but now we look like we're going to continue the trend downward. But that is no longer my trade. I'm no longer in that position, and we could very well see a lot lower today, but I'm done for the day. This has been my best day, and this week has been very interesting. It went from worst loss to best gain and ending the week green again. So this is the second week now that I'm ending it green. I'm very happy with how it went. I followed my plan. I tried not to look at P&L. We followed the rules we had planned out for. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope that's not too long of a drag, but yeah, hopefully you learned something from this video. Thank you.